Bill here at Immaculate Paint Protection, standing in front of a 2022 Tesla Model 3 long range. Just came into the shop with 454 miles on it for full front end paint protection film. Paint protection film is going to stop all the rocks and stones from tearing apart. So 454 miles. I'll show you what we already got here. Unfortunately, right there, you can see that. Right there, it's a pretty nasty rock chip. So it's these paint protection films, a clear polyurethane film that's much like the screensaver in your iPhone. We're gonna fully wrap that, but we have to go ahead and we're gonna put some paint on that first before we cover this up. But get to us as soon as you possibly can. Ideally, with one of these Teslas, call us, talk to us ahead of time, email us. We'll get you on the schedule, we'll figure something out. And then ideally, you get right from Devon, PA, or Westchester. You get from the Tesla dealer, Tesla service center, you get right up to Immaculate Paint Protection. We put paint protection film on so you avoid paint damage like that.